Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to link your bank account to PayPal without a card in 2024. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, go to paypal.com and log in to your account. Then click on Wallet. And as you can see, you have two options here. You can link a bank or link a card. So just select Link a Bank. Then here, you will just have to enter the necessary information. So just enter the bank name. So for example, in my case, Bank of the Philippine Islands. Then once you have entered the name of your bank, the bank code will automatically appear here. Then you just have to enter your account number. So here, you will not need your card. Instead, you can just go to your bank's website and log into your account. Then just copy your account number from there and paste it here. Another way is if you have your bank's app on your mobile phone, you can also copy your account number there and input it here. Once done, just scroll down and click on Link Your Bank. As you can see, we have now successfully linked our bank to PayPal. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.